who is here today? My hobby! Today we are going to do a challenge, that's why he's here. The challenge name is Never Have I Ever. I'm gonna ask him some questions and answer those questions together. And I have already written down some questions and we have the board. It says I have, that means we have done that, and never means we never done that. So let's get started. Never have I ever Google my own name to see what comes up.
I have.
I have. When did you do that?
So I searched so many times, like just to see, maybe before even when I was in college, I was looking like whose photo comes up, is it mine? And usually it never comes mine, like sometimes it's some random dude and I'm like, I could have been better. How about you?
Yeah, I have done that. I was in college. I think at that time I have done that. And no, my photo didn't come up as well. No, but they have suggestion. The Shivani name was really popular back in 90s.
Even now?
So back in 90s, so like yeah, there was a lot of name.
Hey Shivani, tu lagti hai nani?
Okay, so next question. Never have I ever flown in a helicopter. Never.
Not yet,
Not yet.
but we can plan soon.
Oh, let's see. I have to write it down. Make a note of it. Or let him watch this video so he remember. Okay. Next is, have I ever lied about my age? I have.
I think girls needs to hide their age for more than boys. We might need
But
to
you've
hide
never done that?
We might need to hide our salaries, not the age. When did you do it?
A lot of times.
But you look already small.
No, it's not that, but like I have done it a lot of times when I was working in a store while studying. So at that time, a lot of customer was coming in and asking me for a date and something, all the stuff like that. So I was just like, oh, I'm still too small, or just make something else that I'm still in school and something.
Oh, so you're
So
getting
I have done that a lot of times.
you're getting a lot of proposal ideas, and that's why you're doing it. I know that.
Okay. Next.
And you know, right? Like a lot of time we went to the hotel or.
Oh
like,
yeah. Yeah, ये हमारे साथ all the time होता था कि जब हम hotels में भी जाते थे, like even after marriage, right? So वो लोग पूछते थे कि आपका ID दिखाओ मैम और सर, आप इतने अंडर एज लग रहे हो. Why? Even on our honeymoon night, it was like that. Like literally हम लोगों को manager को बुलाना पड़ा क्योंकि at that time I didn't have my passport with me. It was at home, right? So we went directly straight from our reception to the hotel, and he was like, yeah, and he was so mad. Yeah, but
I was mad because of other reasons.
okay.
For some other video.
Okay, let's not get that. Next one. Okay. Never have I ever dipped French fries into a milkshake. That's really strange,
Milkshake.
but I never have done it. Never.
Yeah,
How about you?
not.
Yeah, but I've seen a lot of people doing that.
French fries
Yeah,
in a milkshake.
French fries in a milkshake. When I was going to the Burger King or so at that time I saw like 2 or 3 of a group of people who I know actually, and they were just dipping their French fries into their milkshake, and I was like, that's strange, but I have never tried it.
We should try or no?
No, I think that's gross. I don't know. Sorry for those people who
Who
dip their
likes it?
French fries.
Okay.
Okay, next. Never have I ever wanted to be a superhero.
So, should
I
I say
have.
I want to be. Yeah.
Yeah. You know, like back in old days when I was in India, I used to watch that Shaktiman show. I don't know if you guys have seen that show, but I used to watch that a lot, and then I was thinking, you know, like, why I can't be a Shaktiman or something.
Yeah, I have dreamed it a lot, like Spider-Man, Batman, Iron Man. Like so many times we feel like if I could be one, what I would do. And yeah, that's. I think it's most of the people might have done it. Think about some superhero or some natural activities they might have. So what will you do if you are Shaktiman?
I don't know. I would have just, get hundreds out of 100 in all the exams. That was my thinking at that time back then.
Remember we had Shakalaka Boom Boom?
Yeah.
And like the pencil,
The
you can
pencil,
draw
yeah.
anything.
Let me know, guys, if you have seen that show. Do comment down below.
If you have that kind of pencil
Yeah.
where you draw anything, so the show is just like if you haven't seen it, it's just like you draw anything and it comes out in real.
Yeah.
So if you have anything right away, right now at this moment, what will you draw?
I don't know, a helper?
She really needs it.
Yeah, with the baby, yeah, of course. I think everybody needs it.
Cool.
Okay, next. Never have I ever peed in the pool. कभी सुसु किया है pool में? I have. Yes. That's gross, but yeah.
When I was really small, like especially I think children age, right? Like when we used to go to water parks, and I was like, it just comes and you don't feel like it's okay. There's so much of water. But yeah, I know it now. I know it's so bad. Why I shouldn't do it.
Yeah, I've done that too. Maybe like 1 or 2 times only. But yeah, when I was really young at that time. Yeah, I didn't know. And now I know it's really bad for the environment. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Okay, next. Never have I ever sent text to the wrong person. ऐसा कुछ कभी हुआ है कि किसी एक person को text करने जाओ और कोई दूसरे का text उस person को भेज दिया या ऐसे ही messed up हो गया सारे के सारे मेरे text or something like that.
When did it happen?
I don't remember, but it did happen like 2-3 times. Oh yeah, when I was in school, guys, I was in my senior year and we used to talk on Facebook, and then at that time I used to there was a lot of people chatting at that time. So I was like just I think it happens 2 times in my life. जब मैं किसी और को मैसेज करने जाऊँ या और मैं इसको मैसेज करने जाऊँ तो ये इसका मैसेज कहीं और चला गया, मतलब किसी और के चैट में मैंने लिख दिया और सेंड दबा दिया और फिर वो बोल रहा है कि क्या है ये. तो या हुआ है. How are you?
For me, it's yes, Facebook thing, and then second with my manager, and it was very strange. So it's not actually like trying to send to somebody. It's like the keyboard, and it was just like I don't know, by default when I sent something and the keyboard was pressed, the keys were stuck. And it was just like going enter to my manager, and my manager just came out of cabin and he's like, "What is it? Are you sleeping?" But that was fun.
Yeah, that was funny.
This is interesting questions. How did you got all this? nice
Thank you.
preparing.
Okay. Never have I ever lied to protect a cheating friend. That means, ऐसे स्कूल में back in the school days, अगर कोई friend हो वो cheat कर रहा हो and then you know it but you don't want to say it in front of the teacher or something like that. Yes.
So many times.
It was back in India, guys. Yeah, it happened a lot to me as well. Yeah.
Interesting. I would like to know. When did it happen?
Well, I was in India, of course. I was in school and then we had exams going on, and one of my friends who was who was looking from my exam paper, and I knew she's looking at me at my paper, but I didn't say anything because she was one of my good friends. So yeah, I'm like, it's okay. Yeah, and then even teacher knew it, and then sorry sir if you're watching this video, but my teacher knew this, and he was constantly looking at us, while she was cheating on from my paper. But yeah, he was really nice, so he didn't say anything as well. Like, okay, whatever. How about you?
Yeah, so many times. Like so many times where we have like friends who will behave mischievous, and we know teachers are like coming and they'll ask like who was the person, and whole class were like, we don't know. And then like suddenly somebody will just like throw some things at teacher, and everybody will be like, who was it? And we will be like acting so serious that nothing would have happened, and we don't even know. And that's like, now I'm like can't stop laughing if I remember that.
Yeah, it's really funny. Like back in India, those memories like just really comes and puts smile on our face.
Yeah, and
Especially the school days, right? The school days was amazing.
school, college, friends, definitely miss it.
Let me know, guys, in the comment down below. Have you done that?
Yeah, and this is really interesting. If you are liking this video, what we are doing right now, please like it, give a thumbs up so we can do more and more of it.
Yeah. And share your experience in the comment, like what kind of experience you had back in school, and if you have any of this funny incidents, just comment down below.
Cool.
Okay, so next, never have I ever cheated on a test, an exam. स्कूल में कभी cheating की है?
So many.
Yes.
I mean, when did you start it? Like, what age or what standard?
I don't remember what age I started. But
age you are anyways good on hiding. What standard maybe?
I think the most probably in 8th standard. When I started, classes, and before that I wasn't going to any, extra classes or anything. I was just studying at home. My mom used to, teach me everything. So I really didn't go to any classes. But after 8th, I think it's necessary for the board exam. So from 8, I used to go to the classes, and at that time, the group of people that I met. Yeah, because of them I started, cheating on my test.
You don't need to justify. You did.
How about you?
Yeah, like one of my friends, he was so dull, and like before exams we used to prepare. They used to come and they used to grab it. Today we'll sit next to each other, okay? And then he'll be like making sure that I'll be sitting next to him.
It used to happen to us too as well.
And then they'll be like, give the paper, give the... I'm like, I'm writing. Just 10 minutes left. No, give the paper, give the paper. Like the whole paper he will give, and I'm like, before the drink finishes, give my papers back where it is. That was so fun.
Yeah, it was happening to us as well. The same kind of incidents, yeah. I don't want to say in depth, but yeah.
That's fine.
Sorry, all the teachers. Okay. Never have I ever slept on the job. Like you fell in sleep while working in the company. Never. I know the reason. Okay. I never did it. I'm a good girl.
Because of her, I was sleeping. Okay.
Never have I ever given someone a fake phone number.
Fake phone number. So many times.
I have.
When did you do it?
While I was working in a store, as I mentioned it earlier, a lot of customers used to come and they were asking me for a date and everything. So I used to just give them a random number,
I wonder what will happen. They would call and they'll be like, hey, remember we met in the store and you liked me? I loved you. And then some auntie will be like, Yeah, beta. Let's go. Let's meet somewhere.
That's really funny. How about you?
Yeah, I used to give in like whenever I need to fill a form that I
Oh,
don't
yeah.
like.
Like
I
a
type
survey or
like
something?
yeah, and
Yeah.
I type like some wrong number and they'll be like they won't reach to me anytime. So
Yeah. Because a lot of scams going on, right? So a lot of people like keeps calling you and then you can't even ignore them. If you ignore them, like if you try to ignore them, you might, you know, ignore the other people as well who's like actually trying
to reach.
to reach you. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So never have I ever farted in a public place and you just ignore it and everyone keeps looking at you.
Keeps looking at me, no, but yeah, I have.
I never. Okay, I don't wanna go.
When I was in a school, right, like as a child, like it was very bad. Like friends will be like looking at everybody, and they'll be like, and they used to have like some superstitions, you know, like if you have farted, your ears will be hot.
Oh really?
Yeah, something like that.
I
And
never
then
heard of
everybody will touch like their ears and they'll be like, no, I haven't. You can check or something like that. But that time we used to lie and try to keep our mouth shut. But that's being children, right? That's how the friends and everybody does. So it was fun.
I never done it. Okay.
So you would just tell, yes, I am
No,
the one.
no, I never farted actually.
Never?
Never in a public place. I don't even think at home too. Like I don't really. Okay. Next. Never have I ever not remember how to get home. I have.
Never.
I forgot how to get home. Back in Gandhinagar, like after marriage, I was at his place and then I think I was going alone for a walk or something like that, or to get something from the store, and I forget the the block that that's supposed to get me to the home, like because everything looks the same.
Exactly. In my
Gandhinagar,
city,
like,
everything looks like, so not all right now. It's so many different,
Yeah.
but like if you see the blocks and all
Yeah.
are so organized everywhere, it feels like, am I at the correct place?
Yeah.
That actually that happened to me here.
Oh,
It's not like I went to the, like I forgot to how to go to home. I went to somebody else's door. This apartment's like where we stay. It's like
Yeah.
400 apartments, all same. And initially we moved. We were like, I went and knocked on the door, and I'm like, Shivani, why are you not opening it? Shivani, and I'm like tired after work, and I'm like, interesting. And then I called her, and she was not answering, and I'm like, am I at the correct place? And then I went out and I'm like, shh, this is somebody else's house. Luckily nobody opened and threw some water at me.
You got lucky.
If Shivani would have been there, somebody would have been.
Of course. I don't want the stranger to come at my place. Okay. Never have I ever bunked classes. No, actually, I never.
I have.
No, I never bunked any classes. In
So
fact,
sincere, right?
yeah. In fact, I wanted to go to school, and actually because of the friends and like. But most of the time we used to sit outside the class, if we
That's
have some
actually
boring,
bunking, right? That's
but not
actually
like,
bunking.
but like I used to go to the school, but like the teacher would like badtamizidai and then all the stuff. So the teacher used to ask us, do you have the book? Do you have the book? And whoever doesn't have the book, they have to sit outside the class. And so like in my class, it was around like 60-70 students, and like most of them are like sitting outside the class during the class, like because like the teacher was so boring and we didn't like like his teaching sense, and everything was like okay, and yeah. So that was the story. How about you? Oh
For
yeah,
me,
yeah. So he did college in India. So like
That's
yeah.
like the best time.
Yeah, I have not done college in India. So yeah.
For me, college was like we actually used to plan the bunk because our colleges were like all gated and everything, and then you can't go out like before the 5 o'clock time.
Yeah.
And we are like, we don't want to attend some lecture, and we are like, let's go out to see a movie or something. So we all do in the group. So sometimes like we just try to see the security guard near the wall and like different places like back to the canteen, and somebody will watch and somebody will say, try to call security guard, and from behind we'll go and jump. Once it happened, like we jumped and other side there was a security guard, and whoever jumped got caught. Whoever was like on the other side, they were like, oh shit, there is a guard on the side. So they had to go to principal's office, and we were like,
That's funny. Yeah, I have not experienced that. Okay, so never have I ever blamed someone else for your mistake.
I have to think
have.
about it. But right now I don't think.
I
When
have.
did you do it?
I don't know.
That's cheating, right? You should.
I did it a couple of times. Like if I made a mistake and then the person who's responsible for that thing, like I'm like I used to do a lot of work even in school, right? So the projects and everything. So if someone doesn't know how to do it, then I would do it. And then if I made a mistake, and then I would like, oh, that's your responsibility to do it. You didn't do it, so that's why I had to do it.
So it's your.
Okay, so never have I ever acted sick to miss school. No.
I have. Yeah, you didn't want to miss school.
Yeah, I never wanted to miss any of my classes because the classes were fun for me in India.
Yeah, usually like when I was really small, I used to do that old what baby does, like I'm sick, I don't want to go to school today, and I'm tired, I don't want to wake up early. I have like so many times I've done that. But my parents were nice. My parents were trying to like even if they know, they'll be like, okay.
Spoiled child.
That's why we have love marriage.
Okay. Never have I ever got haircut without permission of parents.
I don't need to. Like, but when did you do it?
So I was really young, about like 6-7 years old, and I went to my mama's house in Bombay, and I just told my cousin, that my
And you used to have a long hair, right?
yeah, I used to have like a really, really long hair, and I didn't like it because you have to get up early in the morning, and then my mom used to do a braid on my hair and everything. So it was really time consuming. So when I went to my mama's house in summer vacation, so I told my cousin actually that mom said to cut my hair, and she's like, "Are you serious? You have a really long hair," and I had a really long and thick hair. So she
So why
was
do
like,
you want to cut it?
because like I said, right, I didn't want to get up early in the morning to do that. I'm a lazy person, so I mean I'm not a lazy person, but I don't like to wake up early in the morning. Yeah. So my cousin she's like, okay, let me call your mom and see. If she said I'm gonna ask her again, convince her not to do that. And I'm like, no, don't call. She might be sleeping or something like that. And I just made some excuses, and and then we went to the parlor or something, and then I got haircut, and then when I went back to my house after vacation, and my mom was surprised, and she scolded me so much.
Her mom used to scold more than her dad, right?
Yeah. So yeah, that was really funny, and my cousin got my mom
Told cousin.
scolded by his cousin as well. So that was okay. So that's it for today. How was it?
It was nice. I loved it. Let's do it more often.
Sure.
If you have any other challenges, let us know if you like to see us doing it. And please let us know in the comments if you have done anything
Yeah.
of this, and we would love to read the comments and reply.
Yeah, share your experiences, guys. It's fun to do it, so just let us know in the comment section below. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.